guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the locale and time zone in Google Sheets. So go to File here, and you are going to go to Settings, and here's where you can find the locale and the time zone. The time zone's already set for this time zone, but the locale is different. So in the US it's months first, and then it's date. I think it's the date, and then it's a month, and then it's a date. But where I live, it's the date first and then it's a month. So if I did like this, it's going to be the 8th of February instead of the 2nd of August. So for instance, I want to switch that, so I'm just going to go to File, Settings, Locale, and select the locale that I'm in, so Indonesia, and save and reload. And then here, if I double click it, let me just refresh that. It's going to change if I set it in this place. If I still typed it like that, it's still going to show the one in the US version, but I need to then change my typing to something like this. Then as you can see, it's going to show the locale for my setting. But yeah, that's basically how you can change the locale and time zone. So go to File, Settings, and change the locale and time zone. It's going to affect details such as function, dates, and currency. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!